Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris from Rebel Lens Films. I'm here to talk about the Hollyland Lark X2. We actually had the opportunity of working with it this weekend, and it is a great wireless system. You know, really for any independent filmmaker out there, this is definitely your go-to system to go and grab. With the wireless monitoring, the beautiful sound that comes off it, you should definitely go and check this out. So I figured why not do an unboxing here, show everybody what's all inside here, so everybody can know exactly what they're purchasing when they get this Hollyland Lark X2. It's definitely a bang for your buck, so come on, let's check it out. So the Hollyland Lark Max 2 comes with everything you need inside this box. You open it up and you get your receiver box. Inside this receiver box, it comes with the actual receiver right here. Then here comes with a C connection, which will work with any camera, any device out there that has a C port. This will hook up to anything. Right now, I'm actually running this with my mic right here through my iPhone. It has an iPhone lightning cable that comes with it, so if you have the older iPhones, you can still use it. But any of the newer iPhones or any Samsungs or basically any device that has a C port, you can run a wireless mic through it. What a great system. Now, here we go to the mics. The actual mics. Now, these are so tiny. Look at how small these things are. They are ridiculously small. They have a great little clip on side there. It's a very strong clip too, it's metal. And also it has the magnet, so if you want to connect this through a magnet inside the shirt and kind of hide it a little bit better. But I really wouldn't see fit. This thing hides anywhere. I mean, I have it right here, but we had it over this weekend. We hid it onto one of the actors up in his shirt, and it was great. It worked perfectly fine. If you would like to want a wired microphone to it, it does. It comes with this little C connection right there. It comes with the whole system. You plug this into the bottom right here. Presto, you've got yourself a little port right here, so you can plug a wired mic right into it. And again, we ran this setup this weekend. It was great. I'll drop some footage on here at the end of this video just so you can check it out. Right here, the receiver. It is a little tricky. It does not work with my Sony, the shoehorn. So Hollyland does sell a $40 adapter for this, but and it does charge it, I believe. But I just went with the $5 cheap one from Amazon. So whatever you want, whether you want to buy the real one from Hollyland or the cheap one from Amazon, there is a way to connect this directly to your camera. So the setup is pretty easy. You know, it's got this little wheel function over here. This is to mess with the volume and all that. You can swipe over. There's the mic settings. The noise cancellation. Now this is definitely the best. This is actually what I'm using right now. So we have the noise cancellation on at this moment. All you have to do is swipe up, and there you are. We have our noise. This is like our hot tab. And as you can see, the noise cancellation feature is on. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. You know, it sounds pretty good right now, but let's turn it off. And that's what it turned off. Still sounds great, still sounds clear, but you can hear that background noise, you know. But when you click that noise cancellation back on, look at how clear it is. Clears everything out of that background. So this is definitely where it's at. 2 audio cables for your receiver, one that goes into the camera end, one that goes into the mic end. Comes with 2 wired mics, so you can plug it into those adapters right there, so you can run wired cables into your actors. Comes with your windscreen if you want to block the wind, if you're going to run it directly like I have it going right now. The best part of the Lark Max 2 system is the wireless monitoring part. These 2 earbuds connect directly to the receiver right out of the box. And then presto, you were listening right away. We were running this seamlessly all weekend. We had actors, we had the Mars Hollyland monitor, we were watching everything, monitoring everything. We were about 15-20 feet away from the receiver, getting clear audio around the corner. It was perfect setup, especially if you're running independent films like myself. So basically, in summary, the Lark Max 2 is definitely the bang for the buck. It's $279. It might be a little bit cheaper, it might be a little bit more right now, but for the price, I don't think there's a system out there. I've used the Rode, I've used a bunch of other ones. I definitely find that for the price and for everything you're getting in here, there's nothing more to say. Hollyland Lark Max 2 is the way to go. Hey, and if you're also into wireless monitors, get their Mars monitor. It is the best. So this is Chris from Rebel Lens Films. Please stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. We have a bunch of cool content that you can already go and click out right now. And then we're also going to do a bunch of how-to videos working with our stuff, some behind the scenes. So please follow along. Take care.